Oh, there that goes. Good morning. Literally next day, right after the track day, just came home, unpacked the car, didn't unpack anything out of the box, just went right to sleep. Today is going to be track maintenance. I'm gonna check a few things, make sure everything's cool, and end it with washing the car. But first, before anything, my hands were pretty grimy using my tools and stuff, so I do want to just wipe this down real quick. I feel like this wheel will never not be dirty. Okay, not too bad. Thought it was gonna be dirtier. Just gonna jack up the front, jack up the rear, see if anything has any play in it. If it does, retorque it and just mark it down with a paint marker. If not, we're good to go. Nothing else. This is loud and it is 9 a.m. Ah, fuck it. But pretty much just make sure nothing has any play in it. Check underside, see if anything's moved. You can see I marked it all here for the most part, like 1, 2, 3, 4, stuff like that. See if anything shifted. Don't look like much has moved. Should mark those while I'm down there. Should mark that while I'm down here too. Let's do that real quick. It's unfortunate that we lost that third session. I didn't even get to use any of this gas. It's kind of a shitty job. What can you do? I'm alright. I mean, there's really no issues with the car on track day, so. Oh, I swear I don't bang the GoPro on purpose. Oh, fuck me. Now literally all we do is check there's no play. Solid, that's it. Now we drop. Looks good down here. There's really not much. Sure, the under panel, but this is just has a sway bar and everything. And I know this is protected. If there was leaks, it would come out this hole usually. So I'd say it's pretty good. Get underneath here. Check it out. That bolt's marked. Doesn't look like it's moving. Nothing's moving. Should be good. Okay, play. Oh, fuck, that was a gnarly one. Holy shit. Damn. My sister's been going to war. Fucking Christ. This is crazy. I mean, my shit's not the prettiest either, but fuck, bro. Alright, well, that's done. Now, we can go wash this dirty car. Throw these on here. And pull. Slowly. Damn it. Yeah. I'm actually just gonna throw these on. This shit tight as hell. What the fuck? Yeah. What the hell, man? What the hell? Let me start the car for a second. Push the clutch in. Oh, fuck. Packing stuff for the car wash. Honestly, just bring some microfiber towels, glass cleaner. I don't really bring much else. I guess there's tire shine that I can bring. I don't really want to put tire shine on it. I'm also not going to be cleaning the wheels that much. I know, I'm sorry. Just because I'm in a rush, Second, if I go to this next track day, I don't really care. And third, I don't really care about these wheels that much. But I know I should. But I'm gonna also bring this quick detailer. That way I can quickly detail this car. I'm gonna wipe down the wheels, but I'm not gonna do like spraying them. They got ceramic coated though, so that's why they look cleaner than usual. I will kill it. Yeah. Ah, man, this thing's got so many flaws, but it's so nice. Let that sit for a second. In the meantime, I'm gonna go change out of these gross clothes so I can sit in the car. All right, let's check this one last time. If it's still in that low position, I'm gonna go buy oil, give it some love. If it's not, it should be good. Yeah, definitely still kind of is. All right, I'll top it off a little bit. Oh, there that goes. So we're headed to a car wash. I've actually never been before. It's a self car wash. Usually damn, that thing's loud. I know it's bad, but usually I go to a machine car wash, like the one with all the bristles hitting your car and all that stuff. I know it's terrible for your car, it's terrible for the paint, but I'm lazy, like, and it's cold, so we're going to visit this self car wash. Apparently it's nice, it's cool. It has all the features. It has an air dryer too, which is pretty convenient considering this car is ceramic coated. Everything should just brush off. I shouldn't have to use too many of these rags. I've noticed that I can really only heel toe in Vans. I can't heel toe in any other shoe. I could have gone, but I'm a good Samaritan. I'm gonna let all of these guys go. I also had an idea. So I'm kind of just spitballing right now, but in the back there's literally nothing. There's no flooring, or there's flooring, but it's just like there's no padding on there. There's nothing like that. So what I was thinking was, whenever I load up the car for a track day, I usually put the jack in first, and that just bangs up the floorboard of the car. So my idea was to get like these foam mats that like interconnect and stuff like that. I'll throw up a picture, but everybody's seen these mats. Getting those and cutting it out as the shape of the trunk. That way there's some padding and like the jack doesn't fuck up my floor, which it sounds super simple, but I just had that idea last night and I figured I might try it, make a video out of it. I don't know, not really sure if it's video worthy, but yeah, figured if not, I probably might just add it to this video. I don't know, let's see, but that's for a different day. You never really realize how loud this car is until you take out like insulation. This shit is loud, bro, especially with no music too. This car is fucking loud. Hopefully there aren't people at this car wash. I mean, it's Saturday at like, these times are wrong, but it's like 9 o'clock, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. So I doubt that there's gonna be people. I hope not though. I'm low-key trying to burn up as much gas as I can, so I can kind of use all that gas that I have in that container. I don't want it to just sit. So I probably won't fill up the entire day until I get very low. I can't take a left. How am I gonna... I guess I gotta do a full U-turn. Oh no, there's people there. That's so scary, man. God damn it. I don't know if I want to film. I'm kind of nervous, bruh. There's people here. Let me back up a little bit. Hey, that's clean Civic, dude. And I'm still rolling. I gotta tighten up the Z-brake too. I don't know what's going on, but let's see. Should I tell him it's clean? Hey bro, it's clean. I like it. Thank you. Oh, look how happy he got. We're good to go. Let's do this thing. Nope. Start with pre-soak and then go to high pressure soap And then clear coat, protectant, and spot-free rinse, I guess. Hit it with the pre-soak, get everything, because this will help you get all the bugs off. You can just see the clear coat working its magic, just beating everything off. Hey, vibes, bro. Once you get this, then switch it to a high pressure soap. Bam. Really want to get into the wheel well. That's where most dirt collects. Especially off the track, you're gonna pick up tires and stuff like that. So down in there. Underneath the car. Let me just go to high pressure clear coat. Is that a whole different machine? So not working. Well, I don't waste my time with that one then. Just do a spot free rinse. Start from the top, make your way down. Get it all beat off. Actually, you just want to push it wherever it's going, kind of just push it off that way. That's the way I like to do it, at least. Whichever way the water wants to fall off, it'll fall off that way. Oh shit. Don't want it to hit your car. And then nice. Oh shit. This is where the other drying process comes in, where we take a microfiber towel and just wipe. It helps that there's a turbo dry there, or like the drying feature. Helps a lot. Shout out to some, I don't know where I bought this. I think it was on Etsy or something like that. But the 370Zs don't come with a gas cap holder, which is weird. So shout out to that. Solid. Now, wherever you really see water spots, just keep this slightly damp. Kind of just go over it with detailer. And you don't need to hit it with detailer every time, because it's all into the microfiber towel. So kind of just go over wherever you see any excess water. And the glass, usually you can hit it with glass cleaner, or you can hit it with the same towel. Doesn't really matter. I'll be out of here in 2 seconds. Yeah, 2 seconds. No worries. Grab another one. Usually I don't use the detailer on the wheels, so as well as I'm gonna use a different color just so I know what's wheels and what's actual paint. You know the deal. Go once. I feel like if you don't hit the door jambs, it kind of ruins the whole detail, you know? You gotta hit the door jambs. Might as well hit the trunk as well. Ow. Just have to dry off the wheels. That should be good to go. This is what good ceramic coat will do for you. It'll make your car look really good and super, super easy to clean, man. It used to take me forever to get any water off, but now it beads off instantly. For wheels, I usually just do one side of wheel. So like this towel is gonna get this side only. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. Just something just to make it look pretty. Switch sides. Oh! Get this side. Flip it on the inside. Boom. What the fuck is going on behind me? One last time. Last corner. Wow, that's really about it for a clean wash. Ooh, get my ass in here. I'm just gonna use this one. It's fairly damp. It's a new side. Spray some of that. Just go to town on this glass. That's really about it. That's the whole car said and done. no more spots there. But yeah, that's pretty much my process as far as cleaning the car goes. Nothing too crazy, pretty simple. I don't use a lot of chemicals. I mean, I would use wheel cleaner, but you know, it's a quick detail. It's nothing too crazy. The car didn't get that dirty. But yeah, so for the rest of this video, it's just gonna be me cruising, driving to AutoZone. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and until the next time, peace out. So I thought I'd add this into the video since I was talking about it earlier. I literally just bought like the 6-piece like gym floor mats, and I kind of just started piecing it together, started just cutting and measuring and stuff like that. It's not the prettiest thing, but it definitely works for what it's going to be used for. Just, you know, making sure none of these wires get ruined, and the flooring obviously down here. But I think it came out pretty good. I cut out majority of the holes for everything. And yeah, it's looks good to me. I mean, for like an hour, pretty good.